What's happening? We're back with another one. Major market breakdown. Indeed. Yep. I know I missed a week. And I'm still apologizing for that missed week. But it's fine. We're 2 weeks later. I got last weekend. We're back with this week. I'm telling you, we're staying consistent. YouTube. I promise. Okay. So talked about on the last one. Said DXY was probably gonna come back to the line, to the area where this green line was put at, and then she did. She slid towards there and continued bullish. Basically, all the rate cuts happening prior to the USD rate cuts happening makes the USD more bullish against everything else comparatively. So you have the USD going up in value, to put it very simply. So what does that mean? That means we got Euro USD still pushing to the downside, at least trying to. Kind of just consolidated a bit. I drew this up actually. I think on the last live I was on. It wasn't like strictly Forex live. We were kind of covering everything: markets, media, politics, all of that stuff and whatnot. But what I'm seeing for a move is for her to tap this, and it'll probably be like a real quick wick, and then more push to the downside. Just because, like, let's go back to the DXY. DXY bullish, yes, pushed very hard towards the end of the week. You know what I mean? And I feel like there's gonna be a little bit of drawback before we continue higher. We already broke this top here, letting me know that we're gonna settle into a range up here most likely. But I feel like we're gonna get a little, just lit, not that much, just a little bit of pullback, and that's what'll get us into this euro trade. You feel me? That's what's gonna push this euro trade somewhere into this little area, maybe a little lower. It might not even go up that high. I want her to go back and like act like she want to retest this little swing high right there. You know what I mean? And then give us the best price to sell off of, because we gonna sell. It's just we want the best entry for our money. You know what I mean? We want to make the most money possible. You feel what I'm saying? So we've been in sales. Chat been in sales since up here. We caught this swoop. You feel me? Like it's in the Telegram. I'm pretty sure. No, it's in the Telegram, and I talked about it on one of the weekly updates. That's crazy. Like I gave it out in the VIP, and then I was like, it's gonna get put in on YouTube as well. So if you were actually watching the videos, you probably got in somewhere up here. You feel me? Or you caught a entry up here, because we caught this one too, and then this one as well, as you can see. So, yeah, you feel me? Don't miss it. I said I think it was 3 or 4 weeks ago, one of the episodes, I said we're in big buys for the euro. Overall, huge buys for the euro. You feel me? But I said over the next few weeks, we're probably going to see some selling happen on the euro, and then most likely it's going to be some news catalyst, some slight shift that helps this, occur. You know what I mean? Just because the buying was outdone for a little while. So, overdone for a little while. So, yeah, everything's going how I've been saying. It's probably gonna go just due to my insights and market knowledge, and gut feelings, and years of studying these markets. You know what I mean? So if you're watching this, listen. 90% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. If you're watching this and you're getting some type of value, any type of value, please drop a subscription. Even a like would be lovely. It's much appreciated. I know a lot of people think like, one like. No, like, because if everybody is like just one like, then we got a lot of likes, and then YouTube knows that you like this, and then it'll push it to more people that need to see this. You understand what I'm saying? Trying to work the algorithm. You feel me? Yeah, y'all feel me. All right, let's move on. Y'all got Euro USD. So you know, well, let me go back through it because you might not know. You might be new. Uh, you might be new, so you might not really fully, see everything yet. This the AU trade that we're actually still in this AU trade on I think I closed out the first position, but the second position is still open. I'm gonna get stopped out right here. That's where my stop loss and profit is. I'm probably gonna get stopped out right there. Let me clear this all off though, because it looks a little messy. Move drawings. There we go. But as you can see, it looks like I mean, like without even me saying much, it looks like AU wants to head on to shit. You know what I mean? So when you get AU, EU, GU, GBP USD, AUD USD, and Euro USD, they're all gonna go in the same direction. They may not make the same exact move, and sometimes I have seen them diverge, but very ever so slightly, and it gets back on now pretty quickly. So if you have a trade for EU, you have a trade for AU. You got a trade for GU. You got a trade for EU. You got a trade for AU. You got a trade for you get what I'm saying? Like they're gonna correlate. They're gonna run together. You feel me? Same way Nasdaq and S&P correlate. They correlate the same. And it took me a little while to figure that out, but y'all just skipped over some time of figuring that out. You know what I'm saying? So y'all got the swoop for off of me setting it up on Euro. Y'all got the swoop for 3 different pairs. You feel what I'm saying? Let's go. We're gonna change gears to Nasdaq first. Um, ooh, but you just look at it. Like if you go watch last, because I don't change these charts like right before I make the video or nothing like that. Like it's the same chart that I left there at the end of the last video. I tried not to make any alterations to my charts between videos, so you really see like I'm not just capping. I'm not moving stuff around like same boxes. I was like, Nasdaq probably gonna first pull back to this box, settle in, and then make a little range here. You feel me? And then eventually get to this box. You know what I mean? So anybody that was watching that one would have got a little sell off this. If you're watching this right now, you know we're most likely gonna sell to this. This entry down here is the long shot. This is the long shot. I don't truly believe that Nas wants to go down all the way down to 18K right now. I don't believe so. I think we want to keep trading in the 19K range. We might wick a little bit down here, and I think we'll start finding some strength and start pushing back towards the upside. You feel me? This is the long shot box. I wouldn't put this as your TP. I'm just saying. That's like you could trail your entry to here. I wouldn't try to be shooting for that. You feel me? Because that's not really positive. That's not. I mean, like think about in context. That is stocks. That is the businesses, the biggest businesses in the USA right now. So if that goes there, then something's going bad. You know. Of course, that's just the world we live in. Of course, we always gonna get them up and downs, but yeah, it's not that I don't think. Actually, I'll take that back. It's not that I don't think. It's that I hope not. It's really that I hope we don't shoot for this box, but we'll definitely end up settling down here for sure. For sure. What's next? We got BTC. BTC. Big Bitty. Oh my god. Oh my gamut. But like I told y'all, she was heading for this line, and that's all she been doing since I said it. She went up, slid, went up, slid, went up, slid. Just keep breaking lows every time I said it. She going towards this line. So 61 Kizzy, everybody thought, oh what? We at 71K. How we gonna go to 61 Kizzy? What? No, I was right. You was wrong. Nah, I'm just playing. But nah, still the same, really same biases that we had last week and the week before. We're pushing towards here. We're gonna we might get a little buyer reaction here that gives us a little bit of trouble getting melting through this, but we're gonna end up trading in this range probably for the rest of. We're probably gonna get into this range and trade in this range for like a big chunk of just like the whole. I wouldn't say the whole summer, but like a big chunk of the summer. We're probably gonna trade in this range right here. I think when we get down here, that's when buyers are gonna try to start stepping in more. Anything below here, buyers are gonna be stepping in hard. Buyers are gonna come stepping hard. Above here, buyers are gonna be like, okay, we're good, we're cool, we can just maintain. You know, you feel what I'm saying? So that's BTC for you. And then oil. Can I get a US oil? Oh, I thought it would have been right there. WTI crude oil, okay? Really not much of a change from the last time I looked at it. I forgot I did look at it on Friday. Um, on Friday, I was saying that we'll probably not go off for the sell right now. We'll probably settle in above here and chill and probably go a little bit higher. Probably range above this box I had here. Just getting rid of that. But probably start trading up in this 65 to 67 ish range, maybe a little lower. Might trade like 83 to 85. You know what I mean? But definitely pushing a little bit higher for sure. Let me put that line back there because I kind of just like that for a gauge. Just a gauge. Didn't mean too much. But yeah, we'll probably chill, settle in a little bit, then get a little some type of news catalyst to go ahead and push us into this range here. Before I was seeing sell off happening, we sold off and then we bounced back immediately. So that tells me she doesn't actually want to sell off that damn bad. So we follow the trend, we follow the footsteps, follow the market makers and whales while they're doing all their money stuff, and we just make our little change in the background. You know what I'm saying? That's all it is. That's all it is. And then last but not the least, gold. Gold. My gold trade has gone all the way back to entry, bruh. That's crazy. I ain't gonna tell you how much I was up. Not that much. I'll be broke, IRS. I'll be broke. I wasn't even up that much. I'll like $20. You know what I'm saying? Like ain't nothing but a little twank. You feel me? A little twank. Shh. Wink. But yeah, we're back to entry. We're the gold trade is back to entry. We got the little buy. You feel me? We did take some off the top here, so you feel me? So this is really house money now. I'm letting the trade run. I'm not gonna, you feel me? We back to entry. There's the way that like gold is bullish globally against global conditions. You feel me? Things are a little shaky. People wanna be secure. When people wanna be secure, they put their money in gold. You feel me? Like when there's things going a lot, when it's a lot going on, when it's a whole lot going on, and tension's a little high, everyone will put their money in gold. You feel me? So I'm gonna leave the bread in gold and let this trade play out. If she breaks below all of this here, then we're out of it. But you know, I'm only feeling I'm not gonna say feeling. I'm seeing it. I'm reading articles. You can see it in the world. Like when I don't trade, I never really usually trade gold from a technical standpoint. If I'm being honest, the only time I ever want to trade gold is if things are going bad in the world. And it's like I know that sounds bad. That sounds like wrong, I guess, but I don't know, that you get the cleanest trades when the world is choppy. You know what I mean? Like, this is a really big swing trade for me. You know what I mean? I'm trying to swing gold. So I'm trying to I'm trying to slide that bug. You know what I'm saying? So. This is more of a investment than a trade for real. Cause I've been in this mug for a minute. I ain't gonna lie. It is a long term trade technically, but um, this is more of a. I wouldn't call it a position trade for real, cause I ain't gonna keep it past 2,400. You know what I mean? For real. If anything, I just want to crack these highs out. Personally, I just want to crack them highs out. I'm cool after that. After that, we trailing. I'm good. You know what I mean? I, being greedy in these markets, it ain't gonna do nothing but make you lose money. You feel me? So like, you know what I mean? Like, gold could do whatever it want to do after it slide up there. You feel me? After it boom through this, I don't care. We'll reevaluate what's going on up there. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm not in the business of picking tops and bottoms. So, that motherfucker could run forever. um, yeah. Bonus, bonus, bonus. Hey, so okay, I really wanted the pullback to here before anything else, but she slid off and bought through all of this. So I took a trade here, profited here. My stop loss was in profit. She took me out, did this. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna watch for a little while. So I haven't traded it since I was stopped out here, right? So we've ranged a bit above this line that I wanted us to range above. You feel me? So I feel like it's a little less likely that we do go for this box. But the way that it headed straight down, I'm not saying it's out of the question. What I want to see this week is a watching week for our this is the trade of the month, okay? This is a watching week. We're not actually trading it this week. I want to see what it does, right? So if she melts through here and gives us some stoppage here, say by the end of the week we started trading sideways here, right? That tells me, okay, just wait for your entry down here because you're gonna get it. All right. Say market opens, she comes a little bit down here, but then settles back up here. All right. That's gonna tell me green light. We're good to go. So the following week we'll be buying for more momentum to break this high and beyond. All right. Trade of the week. Cool? Y'all good? We good? Awesome. All right. Make sure you're kind to somebody today. I love y'all. Trade safely. Catch y'all on the next one.